Hi folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet here. As you can see, I'm standing in the hangar. It's Easter Sunday and we've got the gang coming over for a bit of a hangar party. So the grandkids are all coming over and the daughters are coming down and the dogs are coming down, so we hope to have a good time. It's supposed to be up to about 15 degrees centigrade today, and that probably won't be until later on this afternoon, because right now it's hovering in around 10 and the wind's picked up from the south, so that's probably a good sign of some warmer weather to come. It's just a beautiful day out there otherwise, just a few clouds in the sky. So as you can see, we've got the tables and the chairs already, and the Barbie out in the far corner out there. So we'll probably end up with some good old smokies, hot dogs, and so forth. Well, the gang showed up. We've got, I don't know, 4 dogs and a bunch of kids, and yeah. So they're all showing up. There's one of the dogs, there's the other dog, and then there's another 2 or 3 in there. So we got enough out here to make a quorum. So, so it looks like everybody's here.
All of them? My favorite gargoyle. Yes.
Whoa!
Oh, pick me! Oh, I know, me!
Dogs are waiting in anticipation for their food. Fern, hey, how are you? You want a hot dog? A hot dog? Get that? A hot dog? Yeah, you want a hot dog? Yeah. And how about you over there? Who's that? Oh. Fern, do you want mustard? Fern, sit. Do you want mustard on yours? Yeah. And what about you, Ken? What do you want on yours? Okay, there you are. Oh my goodness, look at this. I think I'm running a kennel here.
Ah, what is that stench? It's fantastic.
You're all waiting? You're waiting for your hot dog. Okay, hang on, I'll get him. This one's in line. Okay, there's another one over here, all waiting for their dog, and the other one is very nicely laying down over there. Okay? Okay, and the dogs, there they are. They're all ready to eat. Some are a little bit black, as you can see, but that's good. Okay, Piper, do you want another hot dog?
This is so nuts. It's paranoid delusion. It's really sad. Pathetic.
Fern, yeah. Did you want another hot dog? Do you want mustard on yours again? And relish? Okay? All right, I'll get it ready for you.
That is the weirdest thing you have ever said.
Okay, Ken, do you want another? Do you want another one? Hey, one or 2? How many do you want? 1 or 2? Hey, 1?
Something's wrong with you. Really.